Savvy! Savvy needs to say something before I kick her leg. Isn't she just charming? I know. Come on, let's get up. Which way next?
What?
Which way next?
That way.
Okay. I think she's kind of blind.
Don't run me into a gutter. I'll trip.
I think she's kind of blind right now, so I have to guide her like a doggy.
I can see.
Yeah,
well,
right.
Not really. What kind of?
Let's see how this goes.
I know where I'm going. If the car comes for me.
I won't warn her.
Yes, you will.
I'm kidding! I'm kidding. I'm saying this to the camera.
I know. I can hear it. I'm not deaf.
Well, that's pretty obvious.
I'm just blind. I'm not deaf. My eyes could not lie.
Glittery hair.
Yeah! It wasn't silver. It was just glitter. It's supposed to be silver.
I don't like hills.
We'll get over it.
Will not.
Yes, you will.
Nuh-uh. Nuh-uh. She always wins anyway. Bye-bye to the camera.
Bye-bye. Let me see that video.